Hi, hope you are doing well. My name is Prateek Jain. I am a partner with KPMG Tax based out of Gurgaon office, and I look after the indirect tax practice of KPMG in North India. We are going to talk about the new program, the new tax certification and diploma course, which is going to be launched by KPMG and NIIT jointly. Why do we do this course? As you're all aware, taxes in India drive the way businesses are done. It's not an issue which you'll only see in newspapers and textbooks. These are the issues that you have to apply in a day-to-day life. Whether you are in procurement and negotiating a contract with your vendors, or you're selling a product and setting up a new distribution network, or you're looking for an investment and trying to find out where exactly should you invest and how should you invest, taxes come into play. And therefore, one needs to not only understand these taxes, but also should be able to apply these taxes in a day-to-day life. The other challenge in India is that the taxes per se are evolving. The governments are finding innovative ways of applying these taxes. We are also moving more towards globalization. There are radical tax reforms like direct tax code and goods and services tax, GST, which is likely to be implemented over the next 2 years. That would mean that the face of the existing taxes will also completely change in time to come. It will also change the way businesses are done. It is expected that once GST comes in, then the entire procurement, entire distribution, entire business model of most of the companies will need to be re-looked at. Therefore, we need to not only understand these trends, where are we moving towards, but also to be proactively prepared for this. Very often, the difference between winning and losing hinges upon these taxes, because taxes constitute a very, very significant portion of the transaction. Then there are practical aspects of taxation as well. So how do you handle an audit? How do you handle an assessment? What do you do if you get a notice from a tax department? All of these things not only require you to know the theoretical aspects, but also the practical aspects of dealing with these challenges, which will come very often when you do business in India. So this course, which will roughly take around 3 months and will lead you to get a diploma in tax, would cover direct tax, including proposed DTC, indirect tax, which will cover all the indirect taxes like service tax, customs, excise, VAT, and also about GST based on whatever information we have in the public domain. It will be relevant for corporate professionals, and when I say corporate professionals, I'm not limiting myself to only tax and finance, but it will include people in procurement, distribution, marketing, HR, and even people at a CXO level. It will also be relevant for independent practitioners, chartered accountants, company secretaries, cost accountants, lawyers who are practicing on their own, students who are pursuing either CA, ICWA, CS, or equivalent courses, or students who are pursuing BCom or equivalent courses. So therefore, it will be relevant for all of us. And just a quick word about KPMG and NIIT. You would be aware that both of these institutions are leaders in their own right. KPMG works in India amongst various areas, and one of the very strong component of that is tax. We deal with thousands of clients, diverse in the nature, belonging to various sectors. We are internationally networked, so we know what's happening across the globe and what Indian authorities are looking at from a policy perspective. NIIT is a leader in education, as you would be aware. We have done similar courses. We have launched similar courses for IFRS, for XBRL, and we have received very encouraging response. and therefore it'll be worth your while to look at this course very closely and hopefully attend this course. And I do hope to see you in one of our training sessions, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.